What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Right here we got a 2013 BMW 528 2013. I'm gonna show you guys how to take off the trim panel, how to take off this handle and that mirror. Alright guys, with this handle, it's the handle itself and plus the key lock. That said, you guys gonna need a flat head. You guys see this piece right here? You're gonna take off that piece first. We'll take this piece off. You did a screw right there. That is a star head, guys. That's a star head. You're gonna take this piece off. You put your flat head right in the groove. Stick it there, just like that, and pry it open. That comes off. Now, there's a screw there, guys, the same thing. That's a star head. Let's see. That's a T30, guys. It's a T30 star tip, T30. So go ahead and take that screw out and that screw out. That's what the screw looks like. Take it out. Okay, once you take those two screws out, guys, use the flat head and put it right between the groove and pull the trim panel away from the door. Just like that. Then you're going to put your hand up on underneath it and pull the trim panel away from the door. Now we're going to go up with it. Just like that. Then you're gonna unplug this cable. You're gonna put your flat head right here and pull this pin up, and it comes off. Be careful. You do not want to break that pin because that's what holds this thing onto the lock. This piece, come on, man. This piece right here is what open the doors with the handle, so don't break that. Be careful. Now we're going to let this thing set for a while. Do not unplug this yet because we're going to put the glass down. So we're going to hold that for a while. Alright? Let that sit there for a while. Now we're going to do the handle. We're going to take up the handle. Morning. Okay guys, meanwhile we're going to let that stay there for a while. We're going to take off the mirror. Get yourself the same thing, guys, the T30, star tip, T30, all right? We're going to take off this piece. unplug it. Okay guys, once this piece is off, remember you gotta take off this piece first and unplug it from here. Once you take that piece, it's 2 screws. It's 1 screw right there. Are you gonna pick this piece up, guys? This piece. The next screw that is right there, all right? Remember, that's a T30 star tip, T30. You're gonna take out 1 screw. Before you take that screw out, guys, you're gonna unplug the light first. Unplug it. You see those two black spikes? Go ahead and pull those 2 together. Unplug it. Then you're gonna hold it. Take it out. Okay guys, it's 3 screws. Y'all see that black piece right there? That black piece goes right inside there. Take that piece out of there, that piece. It goes right there. There's a next screw that is on there. 1 more screw. Then go ahead and take out the light. See? Comes right out. All right? Now go ahead and unhook the door panel. It's a lot of damn wires, man. God damn. It's a lot of goddamn wires. Shit. You know, guys, this thing have a lot of wires. So what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna let this piece. I'm gonna go ahead and take off the handle and put this handle back on the door. I mean on the twin panel. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to take off that handle. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and take off that handle, guys. Get yourself a star tip, T15, all right? You guys see that black plug right there? Go and take the black plug from there. That's what that black plug looks like. Now go ahead and get yourself a light. You're gonna shine a light. But right in that hole. Right in the hole, there's a shining screw that fit this tool right here. You're gonna put that tool inside there. And you're gonna turn that tool to the left. Turn the tool to the left. You're gonna hold. Go ahead and turn to the left. You're going to turn it until it stops turning. See that? Now it stopped turning. Use the flathead screwdriver. Take this piece out. Take that out. All right, guys. After you take out this handle piece, you guys see this chrome piece right here, guys? Y'all see that chrome piece? That's for the lock itself. The key lock. In order to take that piece out, this hole right here, guys, there is 2 screws. There's one for the handle. There's 1 screw for the handle. The next screw for the key piece is right inside at the angle, which is the Allen key, guys. They're gonna use a Allen key. That screw is right on the side. All right, once the screw is loose, use the flathead and put it back between the groove and take it out. You guys, it comes off. The screw holds that hole right there. It comes right off. All right, and that's it, guys. That is it. All right. With that said, I'll catch you guys on the next video, baby.